when our business had zero revenue, we created an operating agreement that has about 50 pages. People will go, "Are you nuts?" I'm like, "No, that was by far and still to date between me and my partner." And just for context, we had known each other for less than a month before we decided to put our futures in this joint venture.
Wow.
So you can
Gutsy.
imagine how little we knew each other, right?
Yeah.
And guess what? It was one of the most enriching conversations we've ever had to date, because we sat for a few hours. It took a few hours, and we went item by item, do's and don'ts, can and can'ts, what ifs. We had a lot of what ifs there. We also took one of the worst decisions a business owner starting with a partner can make, which we are 50-50, which is a classic mistake. But I'll admit it, we have it because back then there was no other way of solving for the fact that Brennan already had a business that was going on, existing. He had revenue, he had clients, he was going. I was starting from scratch, but I had a lot to contribute. So we made a decision, you know what? There's no other way. This has to be 50-50. And for 50-50, we had all sorts of scenarios of what could be wrongs baked into that. So it's a little bit crazy that it became that big. But yep, sometimes that's what you got to do,